What's up, Jet? Hello, boys. What do you guys think of the soothing music? I thought it's good music to start off the Monday. Good Monday morning music. Relieve all the anxiety. Anyways, let's change this shit. Hold on. We're back to Japanese lo-fi. All right. And why does it feel like it's been a while, man? When did it last? Was it last live on Friday? I think. Yeah, Friday. Damn, chat. Wait, what happened with music? Hold on. Oh, chat, it doesn't want to play my music. Does not want to play my music. Go on then. Why the fuck does music? Dude. Bro, what? Yeah, chat. For some reason, it does not want to play my music. I don't know why. Maybe I have a video. Okay. It doesn't want to play lives, but let's do a video. But yeah, how are we doing, chat? How was y'all weekend? Had a good weekend? What y'all do? Went crazy? Let loose? Bought some hoes? Not joking. Alaikum salam, Creed. Eid Mubarak to you as well, bro. We had it yesterday. Hold your Bard. Albania was gonna lose. We were close though. After that first goal, I swear to God, all of Albania had hope. Ooh. Daily looks really good to come up. Chat. I sent the analysis in gold in the VIP room. Let's see. What was it? Yeah, exactly. So my analysis in the VIP room was first to come down. So this was my analysis. To come down and then to come up to tap the decision area at 61, just around 60. So that's what I believe is gonna happen, honestly. I do believe we're gonna flip on the daily. Very likely. I do think it's just a retest. You did close slightly above range, and you should fill the range up to at least 50, guys. Like, this range should get filled pretty easily. And that's gonna only happen if we flip. So I am expecting the flip on the daily. Hold on, the music is way too loud, low-key. All right, that's better. So yeah, Expecting the daily to flip to fill the range up, obviously, and just statistically, the daily will flip. Now let's see, let's see the 4 hour. Zoom link. Oh my bad, my bad. Let me send the Zoom link. Hold on. Yo, hay fever is killing me, chat. This hay fever has got a hold of me. My nose, my fucking throat, everything. God damn. Do not joke with hay fever, chat. Hold on, let me start the Zoom. Alright, there we go. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, Zoom link is sent. Let's get back to it. So yeah. Like I said, daily close slightly above is creating a higher low at the moment. It's just creating a higher low, right? You see the daily has shifted the trend. Same idea, higher low, come up, fill the range, tap this decision area, and then after you tap this area, you'll see a rejection. So yeah, long-term buys are going to be at 2360, although it's not necessary to bring that up right now because it's going to take a while for us to come there. But in the analysis, I told you guys that we're first going to come down, retest, and then flip on the daily and come up and tap around 2360s. That's what I'm expecting today. I am expecting this daily to flip, so and for the daily to flip, we do need a very strong push to the upside, very, very strong, which is what I'm expecting. So yeah, we're gonna look for buys. Pretty much very simple. We're gonna look for buys. We have already moved since the daily open. We've already moved almost 200 pips, 180 pips to the downside without creating a top wick, which is again creating an imbalance to the upside. And yeah, like Jose just said in the chat, the daily is coming down to an area where it usually rejects, in an area where it should flip, and it's looking very ripe to flip. So if you look on the 4 hour, let's see, we can remove these zones now since you guys got the analysis, or we can keep the zone up at 360. We can remove this. So let's look at the 4 hour here. But the moment for 4 hour is kind of consolidating, not doing too much. It did come down to fill this imbalance. It did create a slight imbalance from this push up during, what was this, during was this Asia? No, yeah, during London. During London, you had huge pushes, and now New York is, or New York is just filling that imbalance. And after you do that, you're free to go wherever you want. Now the 4 hour does have some, let me see the zones. You do have a 4 hour zone there, right there. But let's see where you came from. That's the more important part. You came from around these areas on the 4 hour. Usually when you come from around these areas, you do reject at around 2350. So you should see a pretty strong rejection in your chat. Just looking historically. Yeah, historically speaking, chat, you should see a rejection here, and then a continuation of the daily. Now, what do we say always that we look for? We look for a lower time frame reversal for a higher time frame continuation. The higher time frame continuation is the daily flip, and the lower time frame reversal is obviously the 4 hour and the 1 hour reversal. Come up. So we'll look for some sort of reversal pattern here, and then a closure back above range, and we can look for some nice buys. Let's draw our ranges here. Yeah, like I said, 4 hours tapping into very strong support here. Very strong support. Still an upwards trajectory. Haven't broken structure. To break structure, you'll need to come down a lot to break structure, chat. You need to come down a lot to break structure on the 4 hour. The 1 hour again, bearish, bearish, bearish. All the lower time frames are bearish. Higher time frames are bullish. We look for a bullish continuation for a lower time frame reversal. Very simple. So yeah. Let's go down to the 30-minute and let's draw our zones here. Let's see if we get some ranges we could fill. Again, looking for buys. But first, we got to look for a decision area. So let's see if we have any decision areas here. Bard, how come if you know it will go up for the day, why did you take buy at the start of the day? Genuine question, just trying to learn. Because we know it's gonna go up, but we don't know where from. So you guys know that the daily, like I think the daily is gonna flip and go up, but I also don't know how big of a bottom wick we're gonna get. I have no idea. That's why we'll look for a lower time frame reversal for a higher time frame continuation, right? Because a lower time frame reversal indicates that the higher time frame is continuing its move, or it's about to continue its move, and then we can get a pinpoint accurate trade or an accurate entry. But you can't just take a, okay, I think it's gonna go up, let's take a buy here, because sure, you might be right, but it might take you out before you're right, because otherwise you'll have to have a stop loss of fucking 400 pips. Right, so you might be right, but the thing is, you want to pinpoint the entry. You want to be as accurate as possible with the entry, because otherwise you'll risk way too much. So that is the reason. I think it's gonna go up, but I still need to get the best possible entry. Oh, wait, what the fuck is wrong with the stream? Why did Zoom chat become so big? Hold on. Why is Zoom chat so big? Okay, hold on. I think we do this. Perfect. So you get a better entry with less risk. Exactly. That's exactly why. But yeah, let's see here. Let's draw some zones in the 30 minutes. Why do I feel kind of rusty, chat? Let's see here. So decision areas. Let's see decision areas. Do our decision areas. Funny enough, we're at a decision area right now. This is a decision area, chat. We are currently at a decision area. So you'll likely see a strong rejection here, chat. Likely see a strong rejection. We don't have to draw out the whole decision area, but this is a big decision area, yes. This is a very big decision area. But we don't have to draw all of it. We'll just draw the range. Or we'll just draw the support within that decision area. So we have support from on these levels. Okay. Very good range here, chat. Very clean, clear, perfect range. Between 25 and 34 is a very clean range. Very small range here, but it's still a range. You do have a very small range right here. Right around these levels. And this would be the decision area then. This whole area is a decision area. Okay, so this range is very clear. So we're gonna have buys above here for the range up. So buys above 25.9 to fill the range up to 23.35. It's very good. That range always gets filled historically, so we do have a advantage there. Okay, let's see. So we came from around 23.35. Okay. Came from 23.35. Historically, when you come from 23.35, reject at around. This is a big zone, chat. Big zone right here, chat. Yeah, it looks like we might want to mirror this move, chat. Right here. We might want to mirror this move right here, chat. So here you had a tap at 23.35. Same thing you had here, tap at 23.35. Then you had a drive down to around 23.17, 23.19, 23.17, which you did the same thing here, and then you rejected right here. Came up retested around 21, came up retested around 21.22, and then saw it drive down to 23.06 before driving back up. Right. So the three-step, you kind of had a three-step execution here, which is tap, reject, retest, and then tap after a big rejection. So this seems to be a decision area at 23.09 to 23.03. Seems to be a pretty decent rejection area. Look, you either reject hard or you drive hard. This might be an exception right here, but generally what happens here is you reject hard or you drive hard. So we can look for some buys here. Let's see. Around there, I'm gonna probably take buys if we come down. Now, if you want to mirror this move to the left, we've already mirrored the 3 steps of that move. So the fourth step will be the rejection at 305, which we will take advantage of course. But again, that's gonna be the daily. Let's see, that's gonna be the daily. Oof, that's gonna be daily bottom right here. Without, and you see this a lot where the daily comes down, it doesn't break structure. You just come down and you kind of fake people out, and you kind of almost break structure, but you don't really. You see this happen a lot. So you saw it here, for example, how the daily came down. You see, you had a higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, right? And the daily came down, but you didn't quite break the higher low. You didn't quite break structure, but you were very close, and then you reject it afterwards. So you can do the same thing here, meaning you come down all the way here, and you're very close to breaking structure, right? But you don't. You reject right above, and then you keep coming up. So you might see the same mirrored move right now, which is why we're looking for buys at 2306, 2305, because that's also the decision area previously. Now, if you look, here's the thing, guys. If you look at the recent history, you might say, oh, Bard, this is such a bad buy area. Like, it's such a bad buy area. You have a fake out here. You drive past this many times. Yes, but you also have to think, where did you come from? Because here, you drove past it, but you came from 2312. Right? Here, Here, sure, you drove past it, but you came from 2325. Now, you're coming all the way up from 2335, meaning you had to have a lot more liquidity to drive further than here. What you'll see is a rejection, because past price action says that you come down to around 2316, reject, and then you tap 2305 and reject. Right? The further you are away from price, the harder it will be to reach a certain point. Meaning, if price comes down all the way to 2305 from 2335, that's a long distance to move. It's a long distance, but from here to here, not nearly as long. Same thing here. Right? This was much harder for price to do than this and this. Meaning, it's like a rubber band. The more you extend the rubber band and release it, the harder it'll pull back. The same concept here. You always have to look where it came from, chat. That's where we went back all the way to, I don't know, April, right? See how price reacted previously in these levels. And that's why we have the buys at 2305. Yeah, but otherwise, just a breakout out of this range should be pretty good. Should your breakout of 2316, you should see a strong push down to 2312 at least. That's the safety area. Should you break above, then it's probably going to be a clean fill all the way to 35. That's what we're going to look for here, chat. That's the daily analysis. The bow and arrow effect, exactly. All right, what y'all got to say? Everything clear, by the way? Everything clear? Analysis was clear? You guys understand what the place we're going to take, what we're going to look for? See what y'all gonna say. Another quick question. Start to pick your brain. No worries, man. That's what I'm here for. But is it bad that my charts look like a train tracks, or does it not really matter as long as they are all useful? Bro, listen. Trading is not about aesthetics. Trading is about practicality. Whatever works. I don't care if your chart looks like an LGBTQ flag. If it works, that's what matters. If you're profitable with it, that's all that matters. Nothing else. So don't worry about how it looks, bro. Just worry, can you read it? Do you understand what you're doing? And that's all. If those two are correct, then you're good. Then it doesn't matter. Now, you might be overcomplicating it by maybe using way too many concepts. So you might be using trend lines and ICT concepts and fair value gap and whatnot. And then you should probably like reevaluate if you're using too many concepts. But if you're using support and resistance and maybe one other, then you're good. Like I use support and resistance and like my own concepts, but my chart looks, a lot of people say that my chart looks messy. But it makes sense to me, so that's all that matters. Strong support is formed if 4 hour mega closure above 23.23. With 7 after rejecting strong zones, we can target daily no top wick as advantage target, but entry buy on breakout retest of the single time frame. Oh yeah, my bad. Thank you for my oops, that's a wrong thing. Ooh. Entry at 23.29 chat. I'm just saying that's what the crab is saying. I ain't saying nothing else. I use support and resistance, learn from you, cuz. Hey, then you're good. Then you're good, bro. Can you explain the compensation play? If you're gatekeeping, that's completely fine. I mean, the thing with the compensation play is is that do I gatekeep it, chat? Nah, I'm joking. Of course I'm not gonna gatekeep it. So the compensation play, or you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna refer you to a video. No, you know what I'll do? What I'll do, my bird, is I'll explain it to you on the next VIP webinar. I'll explain on the next VIP webinar. Because since you're a VIP, of course I'm gonna teach you it. But I'll explain it to you on the next VIP webinar. So not on YouTube. News didn't move gold at all. Yeah, I saw that. News didn't do shit, bro. News didn't do shit. Let's see some other pairs, man. There's one. Oh my god. Well, I've told you guys, AUD always moves. I don't know why. AUD always moves like crazy. But let's see. Okay, so we got. $30. Yeah, this should. Oh my, this should come down, chat. Yeah, this should come down. Your USD should come down, bro. Big wick to filter the downside. GJ, nothing. Thank God, because we don't want to trade GJ. Disgusting price action. And this is the USD. Oh, potential. UJ, potential UJ. Does have a range to filter the upside, right? Yeah, it does have a range to filter the upside. Yeah, UJ has good potential here, chat. Or maybe the 4. Oh, never mind. The 4 hour has a... Yeah, never mind, chat. Never mind. The 4 hours has a very big imbalance with downside. Yeah, never mind. Screw that. Important to look at all the time frames. EJ, nothing crazy. EA, not... Okay. Ooh. Goes above, left a huge top wick. Practically no top wick on the current one. Has a big top wick to fill. Okay. GA, not bad. Oof, 4 hour no bottom wick on this one. I guess the 4 hour just opened as well. Yeah, the new 4 hour just opened. The new 4 hour just opened on gold as well. Yes, it did, man. Alright, not bad here, chat. Not bad here. Let's see what DXY is saying. Crazy consolidation of DXY does. Oh, yeah, the DXY looks good to come down, Chad. Look at this. If the DXY just breaks below here, you're good to come down and fill this imbalance. The DXY has a very strong imbalance right there that needs to get filled. It's like almost like a vacuum. DXY looks very good to come down. You also did grab liquidity to the upside, right above the range. After coming down, yeah, looks good to come down here. Looks good to come down. Also, you did make a reversal pattern, I think, on the higher time frames. Yes, you did. Yeah, the DXY looks really good to come down to tap. So buys on gold are gonna look juicy here very soon. Right now, it is sitting exactly at 50% fib level under the VWAP. If it pushes above the VWAP in the next hour, use it as support, or above 23, 22, 23, 23, I might start a buy and hold. That's another confidence for gold to go up. DXY, the Dixie, we call it here. Yeah, the Dixie looks really good to come down. The Dixie looks like it's coming down heavy. Yeah, I think this small range is probably gonna get filled. We can look for something there. See the 15. The 15 looks good there as well. Yeah, Chad, the 15 closure above here is really good. Above 22, 5, 6, 8. Let's see. Yeah, I would have taken this if the DXY didn't look so bearish. Sound like ICT, huh? A little bunch of nonsense term. Nah, man. I mean that's not nonsense terms. I mean the fib and the VWAP has been around for ages, bro. Those are like known concepts. It's not like turtle soup, bro. You're good. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yo, what's up, Vin? All right, chat. You did see the 15 come up and above this range now. It should fill the range pretty simply, or it should be pretty simple to fill the range up pretty easily. It should be pretty easy to range to fill. We did have zero top John Wick. To come up at least take a tiny. Yes, it will. It will most likely. And that's why we're looking for buys. For compensation play? Nope. Why? Because it's a daily no wick. It's a daily flip. Let's see now, chat. Oh, let me post on my IG that I'm live, chat. Then I'm live, chat. Yo. 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 How high we predict how high we predicting gold? Yeah, look at that chat. Easy range fill up. Easy range fill. Nothing too crazy, right? Historically fill the range every time. But somebody asked how high we think for gold. Well, if we look at, holy shit, the daily is rejecting heavy. Well, if you look at the daily, it does seem like the daily wants to come up at least to 2340 areas. Like it wants to at least fill this wick. But I'm taking long-term 2360s for sure. Like end of this week, you're just gonna see 2360s. That's for sure. Alright, 15 overshot, meaning that 15 just filled the range with one candle. It didn't really get a closure above. So couldn't really take it. The 5 minute has no bottom wick. Yeah, so we'll just wait for a 30 closure. Honestly, just wait for a 30 closure here, bottom wick, and we'll enter up. Fill the range to 2335 up to the daily flip. $15 comp. Where do you see it? Yo, these comp plays were beautiful, chat. I hope somebody took it. Like, you had literally, if somebody was trading Asia and London, guys, you had from here, boom. At least you could have caught, bro, you could have got 70 pips if you held, but you could have caught at least 30. Same thing here, boom. You could have caught 100 pips if you held, but I mean, yeah. Same thing here, boom. 30 pips. Zero drawdown on all of them. 3 compensation plays within the same session. Zero drawdown on all of them. Fuck, man. Such a good play, bro. Good fucking. So the 30/1 hour are above VWAP. Now I just have to wait for a red support candle to perform above it. Then we might be good for the next 1 hour to catch some good pips. Sure. Yeah, we'll wait for above 25.9 and then we'll catch some. We'll catch a position. But damn, guys, dude, the compensation play has been. Not often that you see a compensation. That's a good ass candle. That's a nice candle. Again, we don't take the no wick plays on the 15, so we can't really take it, but it's a beautiful candle. I know some of y'all motherfuckers jumped in here. But wait, because you see this a lot. So just wait. Be patient, chat. It looks the candle is really juicy. I know. But be patient. We'll have to wait for the next 30 to get opportunity. You did break structure though. Did break structure. You are creating higher highs, higher lows. So higher lows, higher highs. Next higher low, higher high. And then all the way up to the daily flip. But this is the range we're trying to catch, chat. This is the range we're trying to catch. The last path of the daily flip that we're trying to catch. $15 close no top wick. I know, and it just flipped. The 30 no wick would be very juicy. Yeah, bro, it'd be amazing. The 30 no wick to the upside would be amazing. I'm going to complete with break of structure. Yeah, well, the 5 minute complay, I don't really take the 5 minute complay. So I'm going to stay out this time. So the daily flip is higher. The only 4 hour compensation play I see. Damn, what the fuck is this, man? Yeah, but the only 4 hour compensation play I see is the daily flip at 23.32. That's the only one. There's no other 4 hour with no top wick. Yeah, we'll wait here. Chad, we might get a position here very soon, so stay ready. I hope Is the delay better, by the way, chat? Because I did change it to ultra low. I think the delay is better. Because last few streams it was like 20 seconds, bro. I entered the position, I took partials, I took profit, I closed it, and then people were like, wait, are we entering a position? Alright, chat. Oh, big push, big push. DBP out complay. Yeah, but but we have another one down here, so I'm gonna wait for this one. I'm gonna wait for 9189, because that's the other complay. We have two in a row. Alright, Chad, we got 30 minutes or 10 minutes for a 30-minute closure. I think is that the hourly? No, that's not the hourly, but it's a 30-minute closure. If we get a 30-minute, no top wick, 30-minute comes down, retest, that's a perfect buy opportunity for us. We just have to wait here, chat. 10 more minutes. But yeah, if you close above here, you should be able to fill the range. Yeah, you should be able to fill all the way to the flip. Like I said, lower time for reversal, higher time for continuation, chat. Remember that phrase. You see how bullish the daily time frame is? See how you're starting to create higher lows and higher highs? Right? Well, the next area is a higher high, right? A higher low. You know, that's a higher time frame continuation of the trend. But if we look at the lower time frames, we were quite bearish. So like you could technically just wait for a breakout, retest, and then enter on the buy. For the higher time frame continuation, you could catch the daily flip. That's what we're waiting for, right? So now we got this reversal. Wait for a bottom wick, and we enter on the reversal, and that's gonna be the daily flip. We take two time frames and we mash them together. Get the whole picture. And that's what we're gonna do, right? Two time frames, take them together, get the whole picture, then we can enter. Because if we just look at the lower time frames, we look very bearish, right? Let's see if we can close above here. If we close above 25.9, we could get some nice buys. Yeah, you see, that's why we wait for the second compensation, not just the first. Will likely push down all the way to 9189. Very likely. Let's see if the DXY is broken out. Not yet. Not yet. Very close though. Yeah, once you see the DXY break out here, you'll see a push up on gold. Oh, my bad. What I was saying is that if we look at the DXY, we do need the DXY to break below this area right here, this range that it's in, below 05.489. If we do that, the DXY has a clean range, a waterfall down all the way to 05.2, or maybe even 05.3. But one of these ranges should get cleared pretty easily should you close above here. Sorry, I'm not Picasso, guys, sorry. But you get the idea, right? Should you close below here, you should see a waterfall down on the DXY. On the gold, that's going to be the range fill that we're looking for. On gold, it's going to be the range fill right above here. So it's going to be range fill from 26 to 35, which is also going to be the daily flip. Now liquidity has been grabbed, which is nice. And we also got New York open in, or New York open in 7 minutes. Forming right shoulder on 4-hour time frame. This was the right shoulder. I don't see this now. Wouldn't be too worried about that. Congrats on the delivery of your course, by the way. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Let's see now. I think 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes for the 30-minute closure. Now, you will probably see a pretty hefty wick down on the 4-hour. Very likely that you get a no top wick here. Very likely, but you also saw a pretty strong rejection here, which is a strong rejection point. So, yeah. Just rejected here heavily. You'll probably see a push down. Now let's see from 25. This was new, so we can't count that. Let's see. Usually when you reject from 25, what happens? So let's go to past history, guys. We don't. Not a course, lol. Well, of course. Now you guys have a free course here on YouTube, basically. But of course, the knowledge that I've acquired through 5 years of hard work is, I'll have to get paid for that. Like, I mean, I got a family to feed. I got a car to pay. I got a house to pay. So, yeah. But YouTube is free. Live streams are free. But yeah, I get why course is a bad connotation in the Forex space. It's not necessarily a course, it's more a playbook. A step-by-step guide. Like practical application. But yeah, anyways. Like I said, boys, if we don't have any data here, we go back and we look. So right now we seem to have rejected off of 25.9. Right? 25.9. 25.9. Okay, so they seem to reject pretty hard over these areas, guys. Almost seems like a decision area, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, 25.9 seems to be a very strong area, chat. Very, very strong area. You almost always reject down a lot. Interesting here. Very interesting. Same thing here. Strong rejection, chat. Yeah, you know what? We might actually look for sells if we close back below range. Should we close back below 23, 22? We could look for sells, chat. Because honestly, you do reject very heavily there. Yeah, but they keep saying course hate that word so much. Yeah, bro. It has a bad connotation, that's for sure. Like, course has a bad taste to it. Watch 5 minutes comp play. Okay, we'll see. You're awesome, man. Don can stay with his 10 plus pips a day. Hey, no hate towards Don. Okay, no hate towards Don. I saw Don. He was watching my stream again, and somebody in chat said I was hating on him. He was like, "What? He's hating?" And then he removed my stream. Don got banned? For what? Why did Don get banned? Oh, was it copyright? Probably copyright. That guy's play. Yeah, obviously. Guy plays hella copyright music. Oh, is that why everybody's here? Is that why everybody's here? Is Don not streaming? Nah, bro. You're both good traders. Good looking. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Again, I might not agree with Don's strategy completely, but I watched the guy and taught me a few things. So cannot not really hate. I cannot really hate. I mean, I'm here because of that. Damn chat. Y'all got me fucked up. Alright, let's see. 30-minute closure. Yeah. The 30 is gonna flip, definitely. 30 is gonna flip. Retest. And then you're probably seeing a push up afterwards. But if you flip and you close below, then we're gonna take sells. So I'm gonna actually take sells below here, because that's gonna be a nice liquidity grab. And usually, if you look historically, whenever we tap these areas, you do see a strong rejection down. Right. Well, I've been watching Don for years. I just put his stream to the side. Yeah. You only have the Tesla? Yeah, right now my daily driver is just a Tesla. I'm thinking of buying a better Tesla though. A faster Tesla. You have to think about the environment, guys. Come on now. I'm kidding. Don't leave the stream. But yeah. How old are you? I'm 21. Yeah, the plaid. Or the ludicrous. One of those. I can't afford 70 to 120 pip drawdowns. I mean, the strategy is good, but I can't afford the drawdown. Yeah. I mean, with 10 pips every day and a 30 lot, I'll be totally fine catching. Yeah, right? The guy is crazy capital, chat. You guys gotta remember that. 10 pips for him is more than enough. Get a 911, it fits you. Bro said get a 911 like I could just pull one out of my pocket. Like I just go to a dealership and buy one cash. Those are expensive, man. I'll have to take out a big. I'll have to take out a big. It'll hurt a lot, bro. It'll hurt. It'll hurt. I can't spend that much money. It'll sting so much. It'll sting too much. I'll be thinking about it for weeks. I'm like, fuck. Like, I overthink spending, guys, a lot. I do spend money a lot, but I overthink a lot. Like, if I buy something, I think, like, the whole week after I buy it, I think if I contemplate if it was a good decision or not. I'm like, did I just waste money, or like was it really worth it? Like I think like crazy. Yeah, 911s are nice. C63. Well, I'll if I buy a C63, I'll fulfill my Albanian arc. Like I'm a complete Albanian then. If I buy a C63. The Albanian arc has been completed. M5 CS. Okay, guys, relax. I had a $4 pair of shorts that lasted like 5 years. I swear to God. I swear to God, chat. Same here, Ben. Yo, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys a funny shit. I'm gonna show you guys what car I used to drive back in the day. I used to whip this around like I was a Lambo, chat. Like I used to pick up mad chicks in it. No, I'm joking. But I used to literally, I drove it around and I felt like I was in a Ferrari. Let me find it. Look at this, chat. Fuck's sake, it doesn't want to load. That was my first car, chat. Yeah, I went crazy with this car. The amount of times I almost died. I shouldn't be alive. Like the things I did with this car, chat, I shouldn't be alive. Like winter in Sweden, every single corner I'll just pull the handbrake. It was mad fun, chat. I kind of miss those days, chat. We just had I kind of miss having a car that was just a shitty car you don't care about and you could drive however you want. Like, you know how fun that is? You know how fun it is just having a car that you don't give a shit about? You're just driving it like it. Hold on, let me find it. Let me find. I have a picture of when I crashed my car. That car specifically. Here it is. Yeah, that's me and my friend. After I just crashed the car. And it wasn't even my fault though. Chat, honestly, it wasn't even my fault. It was an old guy. He was like 90 years old. He was driving his fucking old Volvo. You know, typical Swedish guy. Driving his old Volvo. And we were driving opposite sides. So he was driving towards this way and I was driving this way. And it was a what is it called? Kurva. It was a turn, right? Kind of long turn. But he didn't turn. He just went straight. As I was turning, right? And I was looking at him and he was like playing with the radio. Like just a night like this. Playing with the radio, trying to put on the fucking news channels. And I was just driving. I was looking and I was like, is he gonna look up soon? Like, is he gonna see me? And then literally last second, chat. Last second, I was like, fuck, he won't look up. Right into the ditch. Right into the ditch. With all my friends inside the car. She was mad fun. And then the old guy just drove away. Like, he was like, after we were in the ditch, he was just like, oh shit. I just drove away. Never saw him again. Like a 9-year-old guy. But yeah, luckily it was snow. And that saved our life. And I also saved his life because that guy was on 1 HP. was like some 90-year-old guy. He was literally on 1 HP. If we crashed, he would have been gone. I'm telling you, I would have been, me and my friends would have been fine. Because we were going to crash in like 40 kilometers an hour. that guy would not have survived that crash. Yeah, and then we just pulled the car. My friend's girlfriend's dad just pulled the car out. We pulled the car out and then I just drove it like nothing happened. Swerving again like it's a Ferrari. You should friendly race down. Bro, the guy's at R8, man. He's gonna smoke me. You should always drive like it's stolen. I swear to God. Or do you watch anime? Not anymore. Bard, 15-minute time frame seems to be a support to continue the upside. Try putting some line there and see. Let's have to confirm it. Oh yeah, this. I mean, we already have a line here. This 22 is a support. But again, whenever you tap this area, you do seem to reject pretty heavily. Every single time. So I need to see closure above. Like, I need to closure above here for me to take buys. Otherwise, I can't justify buys. Like, I'll be more happy to take sells than buys at this point. Or like a wick click play. For us to get a wick click play, I'll have to wait for us to wick outside of either one of these ranges. And then we'll wait for a wick lick. If I'd get a motorbike, I'd kill myself in a motorbike. I'll literally kill myself in a motorbike. Bro, I almost killed myself a couple of times with a Ford Fiesta 2008 that has like 90 horsepower. Only live once. True. Nah, I'm not a motorbike guy. That's so fun, bro. It's really good. I had one of these, chat. What are these called? Swedish, they're called fiddy. Like these. Like these. Like very small bikes. You can't really drive them on the road. You only drive them like off-road. We had like 3 of these. Me and my brother used to go out with these. Hella fun. Like, literally so fun. Very dangerous though. And they always break. Like, something always breaks with these. Like, yeah, that's the only problem with them. They always break. Alright, Chad, we got a wick below. Now let's see. That is a 5 compensation. Imagine the 5 compensation works. It's gonna be so jokes. But yeah, that's the wick below. The 15. Let's see if the 15 can close below. You can't say you're not until you got 200 in the school zone. Holy shit, bro. Bro does not care about them kids. Alright. Let's see now. Yeah, like I said, guys, every single time you tap this area, you reject heavily. 5-minute comp hit. Yeah, we'll see if it plays out. I don't think it's gonna play out though. We do have 5-minute compensation here. Yeah, chat. That was the only issue. Like, the only issue was this. That's why we waited for a closure above. Right? Because that's why I changed my mind in the middle of it. I changed my mind completely. I was like, hold on, we tapped this area and rejected hard. What have we done previously? And then I was looking at previous rejections, and like every single time we tapped this area, hard rejection. So it seems to be like a slight decision area almost. Again, the daily, I still believe the daily is gonna flip. The 4-hour also looks good to flip right now. This 4-hour. What are the chances the daily doesn't flip? Well, you know what? I don't have to speculate. Let's just look. We go to the daily time frame. Boom. We put on this beautiful indicator. And we go to settings. That's, oh, I just deleted it. I'll have to redo everything. Anyways. And then we'll look. Okay, so what are the chances, chat, that the daily bearish candle closes with no top wick? So the percentage of wickless bear candles is 3.28%. What does that mean? It means that there's a 96.72% chance that the daily will flip. So very high likelihood. Control Z, good idea, bro. I didn't think of that. You ever seen that guy that trades with live with a white mask on? With like a really whiny voice? No. Never. Why not take the buy now and tank the drawdown? Because I don't want to tank the drawdown. I don't want to tank the drawdown. I want to get the most highest probable play. Now I'm saying for myself, oh, I'll go for it. Like, is that viable? If your account can handle it, yes, it's viable. If your account, like, if you can handle, let's see now how many pips you probably need to handle. If you can handle like a 200 pip drawdown, go for it, bro. Definitely. Yeah, I don't want to sit in 200 pip drawdown. Who likes drawdown anyways, right? Now, it might happen, and that's okay, but we don't want drawdown. Like, we're not asking for drawdown. We're not welcoming drawdown. But if the drawdown kicks in our door and comes and visits, then sure, we'll let him have a coffee. But we're not inviting drawdown. The 201 with what equity, right? Like, most people on funded challenges, they can't survive that kind of drawdown. Drawdown builds character, for sure. For sure. Alright, chat. Let's see now. 15 did close below. Yeah, 15 should fill the range down. Or you do, never mind, you do have some sort of yeah, I do have resistance here. Support, I mean. You do have a slight support here. That's why we look now, chat. That's why we look. Or we're still gonna take the buys from 2305, but now we look for places where we have rejected after we came from 2325. So right now we came from 2325, 2326, right? This area. So we have marked up that area, and now we go back in time and see, okay, whenever we are at that area, where do we reject? Okay. So we have our first area. Okay, so here, rejected. And then you rejected at around this area, around 2315. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so this area seems to be a pretty good rejection area right here. 25. So you come up to 23.25, you don't go further, and then you come down. 23.25, 23.25. Here you came up further, and then you also came down further. Okay. 25. Okay, so here you did the same thing. 23.25 came up, rejected. Okay. This was the news. No, this was not news. Yeah, I mean, buy from 23.17 is not a bad option. But the safest bet, again, is buys from 23.05 if you want a bigger play, if you want to catch like maybe 70 pips. Otherwise, just look for buys above. Sells is risky right now. Sells is really risky. Since you're still in an uptrend and you haven't broken below. If you break below here, then sure, sells look nice. But you still have to break below this range to grab sells. Otherwise, buys still look like the best option. Yeah. That's what we'll wait for. It's a double fake out. One to the upside and now this one to the downside. The next 30 and hourly should continue up. You're practically at the decision level. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Technically, yeah. But the thing is, these wicks look so similar. And the 4-hour looks very ripe to flip and fill the range down. Like, it looks very good to flip. But again, bias is bias. Again, bias is bias. We're going to look for bias. So no worries about that. Not worrying about sells at the moment, chat. Where did Creed go? I haven't seen him in chat for ages. I don't know. He was here earlier this morning. Creed was here earlier this morning. I don't know where he went. But he is somewhere lurking in chat, waiting for his next opportunity. Is it part of VIP? No, I don't think so, at least. Yeah, it just looks like a bottom wick to grab liquidity, chat, to come up. You did reject off of this level. You have a strong rejection level here. You're very likely to reject here. Come on. I'm always at the stream. Hey, there he is. What about Father David? Haven't seen him in a while. Yeah, and the other guy, he's always gets it on with him. Yeah, I don't know what happened to David. I don't know. He's probably doing his own thing. Feel like we're gonna break the lows. Probably not. Probably not. I mean, the 4 hour looks very ripe to flip. But since the lower time frame did reject here, I think you'll probably see just a push up again. Most likely. What, how was your weekend? My weekend was... How was my weekend? Alright. Pretty alright. Nothing too crazy. Again, like I told you guys, I'm sober now. I don't drink, I don't do anything. Even nicotine free. Caffeine, I'm not gonna do anything, any substance at all. For a while, because I want to completely almost restart my body. So no drinking, no nothing like that, just a chill weekend with the fam. You still backtest at this point in your trading or not? Very rarely, bro. Very rarely. I backtest. Now a backtest because I'm developing the new plays for the playbook. But other than that, not that much. No, I don't backtest a lot. I should though. I should backtest a lot more than I do. Like that should never. Like you can always get better as a trader. And even I make the mistake of being complacent. But yeah, no, I don't backtest as much as I should. Lovely physique, thank you, bro. I really appreciate that. Fasting? No, I don't do fasting. I can't do fasting. Body detox, exactly. Like, yeah, I'm on a new wave. Let's call it that. I'm in a new wave. I'll have time for all that when I get older. Buys may be above 27.75. 27.75. Okay. Yeah, that's above my range as well. That's a fair assessment. Thoughts on carnivore diet? I like it. I basically do carnivore. I basically do carnivore. I just cheat a lot. But yeah, I basically like when I eat. When I eat, I mostly eat meat. Like 90% of what I eat is meat. So either I'll eat some steak, ground beef, turkey, chicken, eggs. But I do cheat a lot. I ain't gonna lie, I do cheat a lot. I do go out and eat sushi. I do eat out a lot. Because my friends are like, bro, come on, don't be that boring guy. A burger won't hurt, right? I'm like, ah, fuck it. So I'm as strict as I can, but you know, can't be that boring guy, right? Gotta let loose sometimes. Bard give me long before time had a name that vibes. What's that? Long before time had a name. What the fuck is this?
Get used to it.
Good evening, everyone.
Long before time had a name.
Oh, like Japanese shit? Bard, you got a girl? No. Send your application below. No, I'm joking. Nah, wise old man, bro. I'll take that as a compliment. He's married to the charts? Yeah, for real. Right? The charts won't cheat on me. We're gonna put you on with a Dominican baddie. Hey, bro, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Wait, where's she at? Where the Latinas at? Mark, can you see? Ah, okay. NZD cat. NZD cat. Where's NZD cat? Do we even have it? I don't even have it. Oops. NZD CAD. Okay, so NZD CAD looks good to come up, honestly. I see immediately a very strong decision area right here. Like extremely strong decision area right here. Which you tapped and you decided to reject off of. So I would say you should probably come up to around... Should probably fill the range up to around these levels, at least. And then should you see a break of these levels, your next area is probably up at around 0.84207. But that is, you're tapping a decision area and you seem to have made a decision of rejecting. So it looks to me like you want to reject up and fill the range. But it could also be a retest, so you have to be careful. But what I would suggest is wait for you to tap this range and then look what happens here. If you break above and get a retest, you should look for buys. If you then come back down, you could look for sells once you do this. These are the two scenarios which will probably happen. But most likely you'll just come up here. Because I feel like the 4 hour is overextended as well. Yeah, it looks like a double bottom on the 4 hour. They look good to come up, bro. You drove a 4 hour compensation here as well. That's also an option. And the current 4 hour has no bottom wick, I just realized, or a very small one, so it looks ripe to flip. So I would say main focus right now would probably be sells. I'd probably just look for sells here on NSD CAD, but should you come up above 0.84114, buys would be good up to the compensation. There should be a traders convention event. I agree. Hey, you stream hoppers gotta stop by and give like when you go back to your regular stream the following days. You can tell there's more people here than usual. I don't recognize it now. Yeah, it's because Dawn is... I think it's because Dawn is banned, so a lot of people come here as a second option. Been there a couple times, but never chatted. Hey, don't be shy, bro. Don't be shy. Engage with the chat. They're nice. Chat is nice. On streaming? I don't think so. Ah! Lost by a few freaking pips. You're kidding me. Damn. I think you got a channel strike. Yeah, bro, I'm surprised I haven't got a challenge strike. The amount of copyright music I've been playing is actually absurd. Slow markets? Yeah, the slow markets. The markets are really slow. How's Romania beating Ukraine? What the fuck is this? Yo, we got France playing tonight. It's gonna be exciting. Excited to see Mbappe. Alright, chat. The 4 hour just flipped after making a big top wick, so it should look good to come down here. Again. Wait. Hold on now. So 5:30 or 3:30, let's see. 3:30. So this was the New York Open. Okay, so we want to... Okay, so we do this. This, we do this, we do... All right, so we got New York Open, which was at 23.21, which means that we want to look for buys, because right now we're under the New York Open, so we want to look for buys. After we'll probably grab some liquidity below, so we're gonna look for buys after we grab some liquidity below. So yeah, that's my plan here, chat. Bard, was your Blueberry account working this morning? It's working now. I didn't check it this morning. I just opened my account when I started stream. And yes, it was working for me. How much you open? 9:30, I think it is. EST. Swedish time. I'm talking about Swedish time because I'm in Sweden. In Swedish time, it's 3:30. Bro, the third step is not working. I've gone there. Open a ticket in on Discord, bro, and the mods will help you out. Owl is gonna fill the wick up. The 4 hours should not go down as much. Yeah, let's see here. Let's see. We do have range up. I agree. But again, a tap of 23.16 is very likely because that's gonna be the range. The range fill. After resetting the range, so you reset the range. You guys know about how I play my ranges. So you reset the range and then you close back below, meaning you should technically fill the range down to at least 23.17. We can find buy opportunity from 12.5 or 6.5. Both will play. 12.5. It's around this area. That's where I have my safety zone. Wants to buy at the safety zone or 6.5. 6.5. Yeah, so yeah, we have the same areas. So we have the same areas. So you're looking for buys here or here, which is where I'm also looking for buys. For whole Asian half London Blueberry wasn't working. They had some bugs and glitches. My account was not opening in MT5 with. Oh damn, bro. Long day, man. Long day. I'm sorry that happened to you. Hope you didn't miss out on any place. Alright, chat. Let's see now. 16 is decision area. I can play for sells or buys. Yeah, I agree. But I think most likely buys. But yeah, market is very slow. Why has New York been so ass lately, chat? Can somebody explain that to me? Do I really have to wake up that much earlier? Do I really have to wake up for London trade, man? Fuck. Although I know a lot of my members are, not my members, I know a lot of my viewers are from North America, right? If I'm not mistaken. So Canada and US and all that. If I start trading London, you guys are gonna miss it. That's gonna be like, what, 3 a.m. for you? When did you take your last trade? I think it was last week on Thursday. Alright. Seems like you're gonna drive down here. It looks very good to drive down. You are failing to break above 21 again. Meaning you're failing to break above the New York Open, and it seems like you just want to drive down. So you likely see a tap of this zone. and then price will make a decision of what it wants to do after that. From Texas, man. You want me to give you one of my Texas phrases or what? Yeah, bro. Let me hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear one of the Texas phrases. I love those phrases, you know. All right, pushing down your chat. You don't trade oil anymore? No, we stopped trading oil. After some traumatizing experiences, we stopped trading oil. I ain't trying to play around with that shit. Bomba clock. Long time you don't take any positions. I think that's a long time. I think a few days is a long time, bro. Nah, bro, that's my trading style. I take maybe one position a day. Sometimes two. I'm usually content at one position a day. I don't force anything. So yeah, I mean, I haven't got my setup, and that's completely fine. That's why I haven't taken a position. Now, I might not get a setup for a month. That means that I won't take a position for a month, right? I do not try to force trades because I'm deprived of trades, or because I'm deprived of dopamine. It's actually not a long time, and it's really not a long time if you think about the fact that it was the weekend. So I took a trade on Thursday. Friday we didn't have any trades, and then it was the weekend, so I couldn't trade. And then today is Monday, so yeah, not a long day really. It's been one trading day. That's the issue with a lot of you guys. Well, not a lot of you guys. A lot of new traders. They think they need to trade every day. Even though they might not think it consciously, they have this underlying idea that they need to take a trade every day. It's only going to hurt you. Because the reality of trading is you won't get your position, or if you have a strict playbook and a strict setups that you take, you won't get a position every day. And then that reality won't coincide with the delusion you have of the fact that you need to take a trade every day, and then you'll get deprived of dopamine, and then you'll feel like you'll start forcing trades. So yeah, it's don't need to take a trade every day. Just whenever you set up shows itself. Patience goes a long way. And if you have a playbook that allows you to take 5-6 trades a day, then you probably have a weight. Your playbook is probably way too loose, and you have to narrow it down. But then again, different trading styles. Alright, the 1 hour seems good. Yeah, the 1 hour has a very big topic to fill. Very big topic to fill in the 1 hour, with practically no top wick if you compare it to the previous wick. Like proportionally very small top wick on the current 1 hour. So it tells me that it should be able to flip here and drive up. Bard, if the current 1 hour flips and breaks its own high, will it not be a good entry? Yes, it's a really good entry. The reason I don't want to take it though is because it's not a part of my playbook. Also, you're still below this area right here at 22.5. And as long as you're below 22.5, I still believe you have bearish pressure pulling the markets. I do want to see us start trading above 22.5. If we do that, then I'll consider us taking a buy, because you're probably going to fill the range up and fill the wick up. And then above here, this is a guaranteed range fill up. How can we get a hold of your playbook? You can buy it at qualitytradersclub.com. GBP AUD first compensation play played out. GBP AUD. Let's see, where do I have GBP? Hey, it did. Good job, bro. Did you take it? Good shit if you take it. Good shit. Do the referral codes work for the playbook purchase too, or that just the memberships? You know what, Ethan? Open a ticket on Discord. No, I didn't take it. I was waiting for the second one so bad. Yeah, bro, it's unlucky. It's unlucky. But it's better to be safe than sorry. So, don't dwell on it too much. You'll get the next one. Don't worry about it. Let's see now. Very slow volume here, chat. Very slow volume. 5 minute no top wick. 15 no top wick. Oh, we can get a compensation player, chat. We can get a nice compensation player. Damn, Romania 3-0 versus Ukraine. What the fuck is going on with Ukraine? I thought Ukraine was gonna take that easily. Yeah, right. What the fuck happened with Romania? When did they become great football players? Then we got Belgium versus Austria. And then we got France, which is probably the only game I want to watch. France, and it's not because it's Austria, it's just literally I just want to watch France play. That's all. I'm just trying to watch France play, bro. Yo, what the fuck is this? How did fucking France won 14-0 against Gibraltar? Gibraltar. How did fucking, I don't know, you know how to say that. Gibraltar. Gibraltar. How do you say that? Gibraltar. 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 Oh, they have a population of 32,000. Never mind. I understand why they lost 14-0. You said Gibraltar. Okay. Gibraltar. Yeah, okay, I get it. How often do you take same trades as SA? Almost not that often. We have different styles of trading. It is an island. Population 32,000, bro. The city that I live in has more people. Like, this is whole of Gibraltar. Holy shit. Of course I lost 14-0, man. Monkey. Oh, look, it's S8. No, I'm joking. Damn, though. Looks beautiful. Get a job. It was a joke, chat. It was a joke. It's banter. You guys know banter? Wait for taxes? Okay, okay. Yeah, I need me a tax haven, chat. I need me a tax haven because they're eating me up out here. Alright, the 30-minute of the hourly just flipped. Looks good now. Can we close above 22? Gibraltar is the only country in Europe where you can see wild monkeys. Oh, damn. That's interesting as fuck. I'm trying to see monkeys, though. No cap. No cap, guys. I've never, like, actually met a monkey. It'd be so nice. Like, that's one of my bucket list things, is to meet a monkey. Like, actually, like, shake hands with a monkey. Go to... Okay, relax, chat. Relax, chat. They don't pay tax in Andorra, Spain. Best streamers live there. Damn. You gotta marry someone in Jersey, though? Hey, that's easy, bro. There's a lot of baddies in Jersey. Part of Sweden are you from? North of Sweden. Alright, let's see your chat. Gonna closure here in 8 minutes. Yo, you guys are out of pocket, man. Gibraltar, Jersey, and Andorra. Oh, Andorra. I've heard a lot of good about Andorra. Is that in Spain? Yeah, but it looks like it looks medieval, bro. Oh, that's fake. Ah, it looks wholesome. I'll have to visit it first, though. Where's it located? Oh, north of Spain. Okay, I see. Looks nice. Might have to visit. Will you raise the paid signals in 2-3 months? I don't know. Nothing planned, no. I think they'll say this price for some time. I don't know. I'm not really in charge of the prices of the signals and stuff like that. Or I am in charge. Like, I have the final say, obviously, but I'm not the one that comes up with that if we should higher the price or lower the prices. I have some friends that are good at that. My ski resort's there too. Yeah, I can imagine, bro. That whole area is nice, very nice. 5 minutes comp play. Yeah, but you did see a shit ton of drawdown though. It did see 34 pips drawdown, so not really a valid company, I would say. Let's hear it, chat. We've got 30 minutes for a closure, or 6 minutes for a closure. I'm still working like a dog so I can invest in your VIP, man. It sucks, but I just can't afford it right now. Bro. Hey, bro, no rush, no rush. We'll be there. We'll be there. We won't go anywhere. I'm telling you, bro, I will get it for August because I tried July on vacation. I can't be on my phone all the time. Again, no rush, chat. No rush, chat. No rush. Streams are always gonna be free. So there's no rush, chat. Ah! Yo, this hay fever, man. This hay fever is annoying as shit. I feel like I'm on the verge of sneezing all the time. I've been here for a while, was about to invest, then wheelies my bike into... That's tough, bro. That's tough. I'm sorry to hear that. That's tough. I took it on the second cross with small lots. Oh, if you took it on the second cross, then you're good. Like, if you took the compensation from here, then you're good. You're good for like 25 pips now. I can't lie, Romania are putting on a show. Yeah, bro, crazy. How the fuck did Ukraine lose to Romania? What kind of world are we fucking living in, man? I know my dad is pissed because my dad betted on Ukraine. My dad is pissed, bro. I'm not even gonna go upstairs, bro. I'm gonna hear all of it. My dad is gonna yell like it was my fault that Ukraine lost. Bard, I'm in buy since 21. Where do you think TP for this position? I mean, 26 is your first. I'll say 26 is your first TP, so I'd say you should probably close partials and move self break even at around 26. Then after that, you could hold it all the way up to around, I'd say 30, 30, 33, 34. How much did it bet? Not a lot, probably, but he used like he takes like a bunch of different bets, and then it adds up into like a big total. Like under 5 red cards, or no, under 5 cards, or like more than 7 corners, or like 3 shots on goal, or stuff like that. Bard, go to the doctor to get a prescription hay fever tablets. This shit I'm on is great, but sometimes you see spiders. You see spiders off them. It's a bit funky. What the fuck? Do you look hallucinate? Nice liquidity grab on the 1 hour and 30-minute price print is structurally less likely to rebreak the 4 hour low. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I still believe 30, or like I said in the analysis I sent to the VIP, it is exactly paying out. The daily just made a bottom wick, came down, tapped 2316, rejected off of that level, and it seems like now he wants to flip. And now if we close above here, we should be able to get a very nice position all the way up to fill the range. You could take the position just off of this closure, but I'm gonna wait for a bottom wick, slight bottom wick, and take it off of that. Let's see if we get a position, chat. Ooh. Yeah, tough closure here, chat. Did not quite close above the way I wanted it to. Also did create an imbalance on the 5, so you'll likely see a push down on the 5, and then a push up afterwards. But you'll likely see a candle do this. Yeah, you did close. Alright, it's tough closure. Like, you did close the same way you did here. You could see a rejection here. Or maybe even a range fill to 28. But again, we have to wait for our play, chat. We have to wait for the playbook. It's crazy that we get 3 compensation plays earlier. It's crazy to get 3 compensation plays during London. Like 3 beautiful compensation plays as well. Like textbook compensation plays, you know? Right, one here, and then another one here, right? Beautiful textbook compensation plays. And then New York comes by and it doesn't give us anything. What a shame. Yeah, I'm gonna start waking up early, chat. I'm gonna start waking up for London. And I'm gonna stream London. I'm sorry for y'all that are in the US and North America. It's gonna be like 3 a.m. for y'all. But hey, it has to be done. Because I'm getting mad FOMO from these London sessions, bro. Rip sleep routine? Nah, bro, I'll just sleep earlier, man. I even bought like, what is it? Melatonin shit. I'm waking up with you, bro. Pause. Oh man, today's audience is bigger than usual. Yeah, it's because Dawn is not streaming. All the Dawn people are here, I think, or a lot of them. Welcome, though. Welcome. But yeah, like I said, guys, as we assessed earlier on stream and on the VIP analysis channel, was expecting gold to come down earlier the daily. On the daily wick, I was expecting it to come down first, create a bottom wick, grab liquidity, tap into this area which is a strong rejection area in the past as well. It is a decision area as well. At 16 is a strong decision area. That's why you saw this huge rejection right now. After that, you're gonna flip and fill the range up to 2360. Very simple, very straightforward price action. Now, obviously, it did close slightly above here, so you're probably gonna drive up. But again, I do want to see a play from the playbook. If I don't see a play from the playbook, I'm not taking it. Almost 60 pips, close full. Hey, good job, bro. Good shit. London session was also asked today. No, it was not, bro. Look at this, man. Like, if you just took one play from the playbook, you would have been able to catch maybe 200 pips earlier today. You had one play here, another one here, and then you had the one last one here. That's Asia? No, it's not. Oh, it is Asia. Never mind. Yeah, I'm tripping. My bad, bro. This is, or it was Asia into London. It was, here was Asia, London. Okay, yeah, it was Asia. My bad. It was... Fuck. Can't trade Asia. Damn it. Can't trade Asia, bro. It's like 2 a.m. here. Ah, fuck's sake. I tried trading Asia, guys, and my health went sideways. I traded Asia 2 times. I started hallucinating the 3rd time. I started seeing candles that weren't even there. I was like, wait, is that a purple candle? No, they don't exist. Like I was on acid, bro. Every Asia session I was on acid. Shit did not help. Oh my god. I trade London and New York every single day. It works out. Yeah, I think London was pretty ass today. Seems like London was. Yeah, London was pretty ass. It was just a range. Yeah, like New York will likely just push up now, in my opinion. I do think the daily will flip again. I do see the daily flipping, especially after making this big of a bottom wick. Like I said, we do have a 96% chance of the daily flipping. Yeah. You forgot the delay? I think it's less today. Yes, I did. I put the delay on ultra low. There shouldn't be any delay now. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Where the fuck is my channel? Okay, right there. Where the fuck is my channel? Okay, right there. Where the fuck is my channel? Okay. I don't think, yeah. I think there's almost no delay at all. Okay. I don't think, yeah. I think there's almost no delay at all. Okay. I don't think, yeah. I think there's almost no delay at all. Okay. Yeah, I don't think there's any delay, chat. I think there's almost no delay at all. I think we're good, honestly. Yeah, I don't think there's any delay, chat. I think there's almost no delay at all. I think we're good, honestly. Yeah, I don't think there's any delay, chat. I think there's almost no delay at all. I think we're good, honestly. Yeah, I don't think there's any delay, chat. I think there's almost no delay at all. I think we're good, honestly. Okay, perfect. I think we're good, honestly. Okay, perfect. Maybe we should add seconds to your clock. We always know how much delay is delayed. We just look at the candles, low-key. Checking up. Relax, chat. Relax. We got a closure. Okay, so I'm gonna wait till this 1 hour closure. If we don't get anything, I'm gonna hop off. I fuck off. But if we do get a position within the 1 hour, then less. Hold on, chat. I'll be right back. 20-minute vape break? Nah, man. Yo, the old Bard is gone. But yeah, chat. Like you see, close respecting. Wicked above. Nothing too crazy. That's the reason we are now rejecting. But yeah, this range does get filled. It got filled twice. You fill the range first, right? First closure, fill the range up. Close below, reset at the range, then you fill it again. Entry for gold. We'll have to wait for a closure above my zone still. We've waited for this all morning. Closure above 26.9. If we get that, then we're golden. I took sell. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Alright, chat. Again, guys, you guys gotta remember that the daily still has no top wick and the daily still will flip, so I'm saying from personal experience, look for buys. Like only look for buys almost. If you catch like 10, 20 pips, then you could always catch these small rejections, but it's very risky. You're going against the trend. The trend currently is very bullish. So yeah, I just say look for buys, honestly. Since, like I said, this is a strong decision area, and since you rejected here once, came back and retested it, and failed to reject all the way down, it means that it is a high likely chance that the second time you tap it, you're gonna break it, or the third time even now. Now the next time you tap it, it's gonna be the third time. The third time you tap it, you've already made so many cracks in the dam, in the blockade, that the third time you tap it, you're probably just gonna break it. So yeah, looks very, very likely to break this resistance right here. But we'll see. Next hourly closure should give us something, hopefully. If we don't get it, then we'll practice our patience muscle and we'll come back. Are you DVS? No, I'm QTC. Alright, chat. Let's see now. Is our assessment any different from this morning? No, it's not. It's the same assessment. 4 hour, still bullish. Yeah, I mean, the decision area to tap is 2362. If you close above 37, very, very, very safe buys all the way to 62, guys. Very safe buys. Like, extremely safe. You guys want free money? I'll give you guys some free money. Buy wherever you are in this. If you close above this area, wait for a bottom market, just buy wherever you are here. Come up and tap. At least 56. 6 areas. So if you start trading above here, just buy and fill this range. If you don't feel it, like if you don't overshoot, obviously, if you don't overshoot and fill it with one candle, then just wait for a closure above and then you're good. Which area? Above 2338. No. Above 23. My bad. Above 23, 25.9. Above 23, 25.9. I don't know why I chose. My bad. I didn't mean this area, chat. I didn't mean this area. I meant this area. Forget everything I said the last 5 minutes. It was the same. It was the wrong area. I meant this area. Wherever you are in this area, you will fill. If you close above here anytime soon, you will fill the range up. Very safe buys. I'm looking for a man in finance. I don't know if I should say pause to that, because I don't know what gender you are. But that might be a pause, bro. Might be a big pause. New York is not performing as expected. Bro, these last few days for New York has been ass. What the fuck is this? You're such a disconnect because content. Like... Damn, you rejected hard off of that area, chat. Ooh, dude, if this 4 hour just it just had to create this small nipple wick. It just had to create the nipple wick, chat. Oh, let me get my PC. Oh, let me get my computer. What the fuck does it say that on? Alright. Let's see now. Retested this range. Build the range again. This range has gone full 3 times now. We got an hourly closure in 12 minutes. Hey, Suave. And thanks, bro, really. Last week you shared network. Yeah. Your typical scammer. Thank you, bro. I'll make sure to check out your free Telegram for signals, bro. No. I hope I can be profitable. Alright, chat. $11 minutes. I was like, wait, we have a free Telegram? I swear there was a Telegram. Yeah, there was a free Telegram, but that shit is gone. We will open a free signals again for you guys soon. We'll open a free signals again soon. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We'll open a free channel for y'all. Just have to get it done. All right, let's see now. Came down, tapped 22, rejected again off of 22. Same area if it's rejected off of now 2 times. Now let's see. The 30 does look like a retest, so you should come up on the 30 technically. The 1 hour also looks good. Come up. You did. Oh, you did break the wick though. Interesting. You did make a kind of a wick lick, although not quite because you didn't wick above the range. But you still filled the wick, which is, yeah, this looks really good. Come down. Like this pattern right here, chat, is a really good reversal pattern. It's a really good reversal pattern. Yeah, price is very weird at the moment, chat. 4 hours still, 4 hour coming down to its last 2, which means that it's likely to flip. And the daily still has 6 hours left. So it's like, is the 4 hour gonna flip before the daily flips? Is the real question here. So for that reason, you'll have to wait here for a closure. And it looks like you want to close respecting 22. And if you close respecting 22, then you should see a top wick and a flip down all the way 17 again. Yeah, chat. This is a tough range here. Tough range. I guess we got the 3% when the daily. No, 6 hours is a lot. Don't worry. Don't worry. A very bearish closure on the 30. Yeah, I could reject all the way down to 16 chat again. But now, I mean, there are 2 scenarios here. Either you close respecting, or you close below. If you close below, we'll wait for a top wick and we'll enter sells. But again, very risky here. Because this is a reversal pattern, but the daily looks bullish. So we don't know how far down we're going to come before flipping on the daily. That's the only problem. So we'll see here. We'll see how this closes in 7 minutes, and then we'll determine. All right, 5 minutes here, chat. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Damn, this, it wants to tease us. It doesn't want to close below or above. It goes right inside that support. It's over, rip Ukraine, bro. It was over. It was 3-0, and now you say it's over. The second they scored that third goal, it was good night. All right, 5 minutes, no top, no bottom wick. Let's see now. You like the teasing, don't you? No, I fucking hate it. I fucking hate the teasing, chat. Why can't gold just be decisive? Gold, come on, just be decisive, man. Don't be a bitch. All right, the 5 got no bottom wick, so you should technically see a flip here. Again, it's the 5, so it doesn't have a lot of time to flip, meaning it doesn't necessarily have to flip. Like, it'd be ideal if it flips for sure, but it doesn't have to flip at all. It's not a given. So we'll have to wait here, because in 3 minutes we're gonna get a Okay, looks good for buys here. If we get a bottom wick with no top wick, we're gonna take buys here for sure, because that's the retest. That's the retest. Continue your bullish trend. Bart, how old are you and how long have you been working out for? I am 21 and I've been working out for 1.5 years, 2 years, 1.5 year. Seriously. Before that, I just played football. So I played football for the first, I don't know, 13 years of my life. And then I stopped playing football and then I focused on the gym. And now I'm about to take steroids. No, I'm joking. You supporting Albania during EM? Of course. Why'd you quit football? I blew my knee out. So yeah, that's pretty much why. I fucked my knee completely. I'll show you guys. Because a lot of... you guys know a lot of people say, oh, I would have been a pro, but my knee, you know, the uncle that tells you those stories. But for me, it was for real. Like, I'll show you. I don't cap, chat. Like, my knee was fucked. So yeah. That's why I quit football. Basically what happened, I can tell you guys what happened. Basically, I was going to shoot the ball. And then when I hit the ball, I hit it with this side of my foot. Like with the side of your foot you make a pass with. I hit it with that side, and somebody shot full power with the ball of their foot. And so my leg went like this. So I don't know what it was, MCL, I think, or completely. So this part of the knee right here. This part, right? Because my leg went like this. This part completely tore. And yeah, that was my football career over. How long was the recovery? It was like, what was it? It was 2 months. 2 months, and then I could take the brace off, and then after 2 months I had to wait like another 4 or 5 to be able to fully run again. And then even now, when I shoot the ball, it hurts a little bit. I was looking holding back tears. Yeah, man, of course. It was sad, bro. Football was my goal. That was my dream. Football was my dream. I wanted to be a football player. That's all I wanted to be since I was young. And then, yeah. It is what it is, though. This is my first time here. Hey, welcome, bro. It's okay, now you're a trader. Yeah. Arbitrator. Okay. Hold on, chat. This is interesting. So we're a very small bottom wick here. Yeah. Not much we can do with chat, honestly. It looks bearish. Or bullish. It looks way too bullish. So what you'll probably see is you'll probably see a wick up and then a flip. Yeah, again, it looks very bullish. I'm gonna have to wait for a breakout. I'm gonna have to wait for a breakout above. Now this looks good to flip, but it's only a 3-pip candle. So if you want to take this, you'll probably have to wait for you to break the highs, and then you'll take the wick click. You got a favorite indicator? Yes, my favorite indicator is X Ghost wickless candles. That's my favorite indicator. DJ30, I don't look at those. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's the name? The name is X Ghost Wickless Candle. What do you think of the ICT Silver Bullet? Okay, let's see. ICT Silver. Like, what is that word, man? Silver Bullet. Please use time frame lower than 15. Okay. So, what exactly is a silver bullet? Is that the like liquidity sweeps? Is this meant to be like a liquidity area, liquidity pool? Is that what it is? Like break of the highs? Or is this like a, what is this? London, maybe Asia high? Is it talking about Asia high? Or like New York high? Highs and lows? Who is supporting Euro? I'm supporting Albania and Portugal. Albania, because that's my heritage. And Portugal, because I love Cristiano Ronaldo. And that's my GOAT. Literally the only reason I support Portugal is because of, solely because of Cristiano. Open the setting on Silver Bullet and on MSSN. Okay, so what am I looking at exactly? Is this like a fair value gap right here? Yeah, can somebody tell me what the fuck I'm looking at? That is a FPG? Okay. Oh, did you read my comments? Where? I could give you a bundle of free signals for those who are mentally very active, but you will give me a lamp on monthly basis. Fair deal, bro. That sounds very fair. Although there's a there's a shortage of lamps in Sweden at the moment, so I don't know where I'm gonna get them from, honestly. Do backtest it. It has good to risk reward. Yeah, I would backtest it. What the fuck? I'm like, what do I do with it? Like, where do I enter? What does this mean? I guess I'd enter on a buy on the fair value gap, right? I'm guessing. I'm guessing these are like highs or like liquidity pools, and this is just a general trend, right? I don't know. I'm guessing, right? And like, what is the difference between a blue and a red line? Because here there was a blue and a red line, but it was the same trend. Oh no. right? Because here you had a blue trend or blue line, but it was a downtrend, and then you had a red line, but it's still a downtrend, so it can be trend. For fuck's sake, man. Enter on the 5. Yeah, I don't really know. I'm sorry. I'm not really sure. I don't really know. I actually didn't understand a single thing of what I just looked at. Already entered long. I mean, long is not bad at all. What you'll see is you'll likely see just a wick fill and then a play to the upside. Yo, what time is it in the US right now? I'm fucking retarded. I have it on my screen. It's 11. Yo, bye bye chat. Stupid question. $11 a.m. New York. How to use that indicator on the chart? You have to be able to read the no-wick strategy. If you use the no-wick strategy, then you'll understand how to use the no-wick candles. Five-minute comp play again. Let's see. Another 5-minute comp play. Although you are in a downtrend right now in the 5, apparently. So probably won't play out. But imagine it plays out again. What other languages do you speak? I speak 3. I speak English, Albanian, Swedish, and I speak all of them fluently. And I speak Spanish as well. DXY might break to the downside. Yeah, let's look at DXY here. Oof. What the fuck? Forgot I drew this. What did I draw? Yeah, let's see if the DXY can break out here. If the DXY can break below, then we're good on gold. English or Spanish? What do you mean English or Spanish? Like which language I prefer or what? I already took about 25 pips on the last hourly, but I understand why you can't take certain trades on stream. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably enter a few trades until, not a few, I'd probably enter one trade until now. But I can't take certain trades on stream. At least 100 fake viewers. What? It Take out fake viewers. Damn, bro. English or Spanish, search it. What? What are you guys talking about? Es más difícil el inglés o el español. Do, did, done, doing. Hacer, hecho, haciendo, hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacen, hacia. What is this? Bro, what? I don't get it, chat. Y'all are confusing the shit out of me. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for a closure below 22.568 or above 23.926. It's real. I'm the fake viewers. DXY really flirting with that low, for real? It is. Yeah, you need to see a break below here on DXY, and then you're good on gold to come up. First one to move is gay. Wait. Not that Spanish, Latin American Spanish. Spanish is terrible. No one uses their language but them. Latin American Spanish is used worldwide. Bro, I shouldn't have said I spoke Spanish, man. What the fuck? If the DXY break gold going by, yes. If the DXY breaks the lows, then gold is most likely just gonna push up. Because they're inversely correlated. I think it's safe to buy. Yeah, it is safe to buy. I think it's safe to buy as well. We got a 15 closure here. Closed literally just weirdly in the range. I'm out. Have a lovely day ahead, chat. Goodbye, bro. Have a great day. Ah, bro, what is this nipple wick? Okay, like, you know, Why? DXY cracked by gold? It did? Call it a day, bro. I have things to do. Oh, DXY cracked? Yeah, gold should head up here. How did gold and DXY crack, man? What the fuck is wrong with the simulation? Alright, bro, don't worry, man. I'll call it a day soon. 202 views is crazy. It's actually not, you know? It's crazy for me, because we don't usually get that many views, but... Like, Dawn has 5k live viewers. That's crazy. Like, that's crazy for real. Like, having 5k live viewers on a trading stream is actually nuts. Let's see what these other streamers get. Let's see. Live trading stream. This guy is fucking.
Okay, fine. काल भाई मैं बढ़िया भाई बताओ यूएस ऑयल का लेवल रीच हो गया एक सेकंड यूएस
Oh, okay, it's not even English. Okay. Oh, who's that? Not even English. Okay. Who's that? Is that Bard? Oh, who's that? Oh, hi there. Not even English. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Who's that? Is that Bard? Oh, who's that? Oh, hi there. Not even English. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Who's that? Is that Bard? Oh, who's that? Oh, hi there. Not even English. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Who's that? Is that Bard? Man, I'm dead. Oh, wait, hold on. Who's this?
Let's open zero, down zero, minute time frame. We'll try to reach $100.
How does he have 300? How does he have more viewers than us? The guy is just literally streaming a screen with no voice or no sound or no anything. How is this possible? Damn, chat, we gotta step our game up. Alright, gold is breaking the lows again. TT has good views, so does Tanja, Donvo, Raja, Castillo. I almost said Castillo. Callisto, Pakistani trader, MSB traders, all of them have 2k plus viewers. Damn. Gold on drugs? Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, gold is being super weird. But again, this is a decision area at 25. You do reject every single time you come here very heavily. Almost all the way down to 2016. You did it once, and you just have to do it again. You're just doing it over and over again. The gold is acting mad weird at the moment. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Gold is acting mad weird. Yo, you know what's crazy, chat? This video actually got... Just came back from a shower. What the flip, dude? Holy smokes, dude. It's kind of crazy, chat. This reel got 3 million views. Wait, what the fuck is that? It's just...
Been in this club too long. The woman that I would try.
That's crazy. $3 million views is not bad. All right, chat. Let's see. So 30-minute closure, 9 minutes. If we get the 30-minute closure below, we'll get in the top wick with no bottom wick. We'll take that. If we don't get that, then we'll call it a day. So last possible play that we're gonna get is in 9 minutes here. I'm off. All right, bro. Yeah, 8 minutes and we might get our position. Let's see now. Hopefully we don't overshoot right now. It looks like he wants to overshoot. Oh, dude, if only this 15 had no... Bro, if this 15 had no top wick, chat, we'd be golden. Hate when gold decides to tank with DXY. Yeah, right? Like, what the fuck? Honestly. Honestly. What the fuck? So, yeah. Lost 450 today, yeah. Don't worry, bro, you'll make it back. Was it a loss or a lesson? Maybe both. If a lesson of both, yeah. Yeah. It's a lesson though, which is good. It is what you make it. All right, we got 6 minutes to chat and we might get a position. Nah, man, this might be the last time watch the stream New York session. Is AIDS. London only from now on. Nah, man, that's sad. What do you mean last time we watched the stream? I thought we had some good talks. Remember, chat, it's not always about trading. Sometimes sitting in front of the charts and not getting a trade is actually really beneficial for you. First, your brain has gathered more information about how the market moves. You've seen more candles print. You've also trained your discipline. So spending time on the charts is never going to be bad for you. When you took all these 102 wins since I started streaming, which was, what, 5 months ago? Bard, please check Nas for me. Hold on. It's because Monday, nothing happens Monday. Yeah, true. Love the talk about New York moving like a ticket. Yeah, New York. I've told you guys, New York has been really ass lately. Are we going to take any trades today or not? I don't know. Guys. Whenever I hop on the charts and hop on stream, I have one mission. That is not to take a trade. My mission is to follow my playbook. Follow my rules and follow my playbook. That's my mission. And then, if that results in me getting a trade, happy days. If not, happy days. We'll come back tomorrow. So. Yeah. That's basically it. I don't necessarily... When the trade comes... The trade comes. Can't force anything. I'm not in charge of that. Do you record BE as wins or losses? I don't record BE as anything. So I don't even record BEs. I don't count them. When is bro sliding to Miami? Oof. Miami sounds really nice. Miami sounds really nice, chat. Fuck. I can't this summer though, because I'm traveling so much this summer. Yeah, Miami sounds fucking crazy. From 23.20 we can enter in buys as swing trade. Okay, okay, Creed. You guys got a free Creed signal. I'm gonna wait for this next channel to open and see if we get some sort of a play forming. I'll get you right to Miami. Alright, bro, say less, say less. Definitely, I'll come to Miami someday, for sure. I got it. Hey, I gotta go, Wardo. I got me W today already. Gotta go to work, but I will be quitting soon. Peace out. Peace out, Jose. See you tomorrow, bro. And TP for swing could be 23.87. Damn, that's a big swing position, man. And what's your stop loss for that? What's a safe TP for buys? I would not take buys here, bro, honestly. But a safe TP depends. If you're talking about a scalp, safe TP would be... I mean, safe TP would be 25 if you're talking about a scalp. 25 or 23. For swings, 35. Alright, let's see now. Alright, we got the 30-minute open here. Ooh, almost, bro. Damn. Yeah, you're gonna fill the range down to 16 at least. But yeah, chat, that's it for me. We didn't get a position today. We didn't get any entries, which is unfortunate. We got all our entries during Asia and London. We got 3 entries during Asia and London, which I was sleep. I was knocked out during that time, so I wasn't able to take them. But on stream today, New York has been pretty weird. Not that much volume, or not that much movement or one directional movement. We've been kind of consolidating the whole of New York. But what I'm gonna leave you guys with is, I'll leave you guys with positions, like I always do at the end of stream. So sell or buy limits at 2307 and 2305.5. So 2307 and 23.505 are the sell limits. Stop loss is going to be 2301, and take profit will be up at 2316. So this is the position I'm going to leave you guys with in the stream. 2301. That's the position, chat. That's the position I'm going to leave y'all with. I'm going to have buy limits right there. And then when they hit, they hit. And hopefully they hit when we're on stream. And not in early Asia, because then I'm going to have to pull an all-nighter again. But yeah. Otherwise, gold looks good to come down now. Tap bottom of this range at 2015. After it's done that, you'll likely see a push up. The daily still has no top wick. And if the daily closes with no top wick, you'll see a big push down on the next daily. So there are 2 scenarios here. Either the daily flips. 2 scenarios. Either the daily flips, chat, and comes up. Or what can happen is that the daily closes with no bottom wick. And if no top wick. And if the daily closes with no top wick, the next daily will see a big push down. Those are the 2 options that'll happen. So last time the daily closed with no bottom wick, you saw a huge push up on the next candle. And here you saw a big push down on the next candle. So that's what's gonna happen likely. So you could take sells immediately at the daily open tomorrow if the daily closes with no top wick. But for now, these are my positions, and I'll call out on Discord if I do anything else. If I take any scalps, obviously they're gonna be called out on the VIP room. But for you guys on stream, the position I'm gonna leave y'all with. So buy limits right here, and these are the stop loss and take profit. I'm also gonna send it on Discord, on the VIP channel. But yeah. I appreciate you guys for watching, as always. Thank you guys so much, and trade safe. Have a good day. See y'all tomorrow. Peace out, chat.